so we identified leaks in various areas. One was here. And we have all this here, so we're going to take this all out. And we'll put a nut in there. And then we had a leak here. All right, so here we are. The first turn is to get the union off, which we did first. And then this has to come out next. All right. Now that we got that, we got to turn this one out now. We'll use the breaker bar. Okay. Out. And then we'll be able to rotate it by hand now to get that one out. Wow. To crank this off, we're not gonna be able to do it up here. We're gonna have to get this down. So, next step is we want to get it out of here. So let's do that here. And 2 nipples so we can get this all apart. But right now, let's get this part now, because this, once we get this out, we're just gonna put a plug here. I'm just gonna get rid of this whole thing where it leaks 3 different places. And then we're gonna cut. Alright, so we have another leak right here. We're going to just put a whole new black iron nipple there. So let's go ahead and get this off. Half-inch close. Oh, I see. That's why it leaked. It wasn't even sealed. Funny. Okay. Alright, so we cut that out so that we can get this out of here. That way now we can get access to this up here and crank that out. Nice and easy. Here. And now we'll be cranking. Now we already, by loosening that, we were able to release that where we got to reseal there too. One thing you'll notice is there's no sealant on these pipes, really. And that's why they leak. Somebody didn't really seal them at all. There's no sealant on there. So that is why those happen. Yeah, barely any sealant in there. But anyway, we got rid of that anyway. All right, so there we are. We got that leak sealed up. We have the second one sealed up. Third one sealed up. All right, so that's all the leaks that are down here. Now we just got to put this light back together with the union over there, the furnace, and we're done. Put this down here. All right, so we got the union in, ready to go. And the other side of the union's on. So we're getting ready to bring this pipe back up. We're gonna connect to one side and then we'll union it up here. So we're just basically tightening it down now. All right. All right, that's ready. Okay, everything's done here. We've reconnected all of the lines back up. Put a plug in there. Reconnected everything with the union. This is where it was also leaking, but I just flipped it all to this side so I can just do it all in one spot. Nice and easy. Then it's reconnected into there now. And then reconnected there. And then back into the union there. Back to the furnace, all connected back. All right. All right, so here we are. We put 0.5 PSI in. It's holding so far. We're gonna do a 15-minute test just to see if it holds perfectly, which it will, because we fixed all the leaks. All right, after 15 minutes, it's still holding at 0.5 PSI. So So it will definitely pass the test with that.